Most of us are constantly on this time crunch, especially with making meals and eating right. And a lot of times what happens is we end up skipping breakfast or skipping any meal during the day just because we didn't have the time to make it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a full week of vegan meal prep meals. As usual, all the recipes will be linked down below in my blog. Let's get into it. Our first recipe is a chocolate overnight oats. Start by pouring half a cup of old-fashioned oats, half a tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a cup of non-dairy milk, a third of a cup of yogurt of your choice. I'm using vanilla, 1 tablespoon of agave or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix well, cover, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before digging in. Next up, a creamy mango smoothie. As a time saver, prep your fruits and freeze until it's time to blend. For this smoothie, we're using 1 banana, 1 cup of vanilla or coconut yogurt, 3 cups of frozen mango, and a cup of plant-based milk. Blend until smooth and enjoy. You can also add some greens like spinach or kale while freezing the fruits for some extra nutrients. The tahini roasted veggie wrap is so good and it's a personal fave. Add 2 medium sweet potatoes peeled and chopped into 1/2-inch pieces onto a baking tray, along with 1 broccoli bunch cut into small florets and 1 bell pepper chopped. Drizzle on some olive oil, salt and pepper, and massage to coat. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until sweet potato is fork tender. Add 2 cups of cooked lentils into a large bowl along with the zest of 1 lemon. Two tablespoons of fresh parsley and 2 tablespoons of fresh mint, optional, and you can mix that around. To make the tahini dressing, simply add some tahini into a small bowl along with some fresh lemon juice, a small garlic clove minced, a little bit of ground black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil, and add some water to thin it out. Mix that up. Again, the full recipes to all of these will be linked down below. Once the veggies are done roasting, add to the lentil mix. Mix that up really well to incorporate everything together. Grab your favorite tortilla wrap, spread hummus, and filling, and drizzle on the tahini dressing. Wrap by folding the sides in, bringing the bottom up, tucking all of the filling in, roll, and enjoy. Next up is a delicious garlic sauce veggie ramen. No need for takeout, and it only takes a few minutes to make. Add some olive oil into a skillet over medium-high heat along with 3 cups of mixed vegetables. I'm using carrots, broccoli, and bell pepper. To speed up the cooking process, add a splash of water and cover until the vegetables are tender. Season with salt and pepper, remove from heat. Moving on to the garlic sauce. Into a small bowl, pour 3 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of agave, and a small minced garlic clove. Mix well. Add cooked ramen noodles into the pan along with the vegetables. Pour on the garlic sauce and toss well to incorporate, serve, and enjoy. This recipe right here is my favorite. Next up is an easy stuffed bell pepper recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 yellow onion chopped and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until softened. Add in 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for 1 more minute. Add in half a pound of plant-based ground meat, 1 cup of cooked lentils, 2 cups of cooked brown rice, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper to taste, also add in 1 can of tomato sauce and half a cup of vegetable broth. Mix well. Add filling into already cored bell peppers that have been generously salted. Do not forget to salt, otherwise it'll be bland. Place the bell pepper tops back on, cover with some aluminum foil, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until the peppers are fork tender. Last but not least is a sweet potato patty Buddha bowl. I like to keep baked sweet potatoes in the fridge for any time I need them. Also, here's a tip. You can peel the sweet potatoes after you've baked them, and it's super easy. Take 3 cups of baked sweet potatoes and mash them up with 1 can of chickpeas. You can add in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and ground black pepper here, or any spices of your choice. And now we will be air frying this with the Michelangelo 2-in-1 cooking lid. Take spoonfuls of the mix and form them into small patties. Place the patties into the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes or until browned. Next, for the bowl, we are quickly massaging some kale with some olive oil and salt and pepper until wilted. And assembling the bowls or meal prep containers. All of the full week recipes will be linked down below along with a free printable guide. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you're interested in seeing some more videos like this, click on this video or this video down here. Also, give this video a thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed it and I can make more videos like this one. I will talk to you guys next week. I love you. Bye.